Quiz 503, line plots. Line plots are a form of visual displays of data. And look at this. Here's all our data. Number of hours of exercise each week for different students. So boom, 3 and 7/10, 4 hours, 3.5 hours, 3 and 3/10 of an hour, 4, 3 and 8/10, 3 and 5/10, 3, right? This is like a bunch of numbers. So one way to organize it would just to first put them all in numerical order, right? So the smallest looks like it would be, look, I have a pen tool? No way. Ha, so cool. I don't have to use snipping tool. Anyway, right there, it looks like that's the smallest. And then where's the largest? I think 4 is the largest, right? So you could do that, but line plots let us make it visual. Look at this. That's pretty cool, right? Let me go back. Boom. This line plot is showing that I drag up, boop, 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 however high. Again, this would have been interactive and on your quiz, so that would have changed. So let's take a look. How do I erase? Let's just get rid of this. Oh, cool. It's a big eraser. All right. We would take a look at the data. There is, let me move my mouse back. What did I say? 3 and a third. It looks like there's only one of those. Okay, so there should be how many? 3 and 3/10. 1 3.4, we drag up 1. See the next number, 3 and 5/10, 3.5, 1 2. We drag it up, boop boop, 1 2. There any 3 6s? Nope. 3 and 6/10. Nope. 3.7, 3 and 7/10. There should be 1. There's 1. That's it. So we would drag it up 1. 3 and 8/10. 1 2 3 4. So we would drag it up 1 2 3 4. 3 and 9/10. Nope. 4. How many 4s? 1 2 3. See, 1 2 3. 4.0. 4. We would drag it up 1 2 3. But this again would be on your quiz. That's the idea here. Students, how much they spend on the computer each day, that should be higher. I think exercising should be more like these numbers, right? An hour, 2 hours, and hours on the computer should be more 3 to 4 hours. But anyway, okay, so the data should always make sense. Again, that's all we're doing is we're just looking up here, and it looks like there'd be 2, 1 and 5/10. Let's see, 1, 2, yep. So according to this chart, you would have dragged it up 1, 2, and again, that's the same. So 2, the number 2 hours, let's see, 1 2, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you were getting these wrong, just double check that you have the right amount of data, double check you were pulling up to the right level, and you would just click it up, and that's how you visually represent these line plots. Okay, that's all we're doing. We're just how many 1 and 5/10 are there? How many 1 and 6/10? There's 0, 1 and 9/10. We did this one in class together. Okay. Same idea here. We're just going to look at these values. Notice they're fractions. So now we're going to have to think about equivalent fractions. Maybe, oh, if they're labeled like this, perfect. No, you don't. Look, there's no 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, or 5/16. Boom. But here's 3/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2. There you go. You just find them and you count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4 1/2. That's it. Just drag it up, make sure you find the right number, and then you pull it up to the frequency, the number of times you see it in the data. Okay. Question 3, this line plot shows the number of hours students studied for the final exam. How many students studied at least, we've talked about this, at least 4 hours for the final exam? At least 4 means 4 or more. So it looks like it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 students. Boom. Let's do the other one. Pounds and several dogs. How many dogs gained fewer than 3 pounds? So strictly fewer than 3 pounds, not 3 pounds or fewer. So the weight gain, so it should be 1, 2, 3. Those are the only dogs that gained less than 3 pounds, not including, let's see, 3, see? So those X's represent the number of dogs. Then where they are on the line plot represents how much weight gain they gained. Each X, it represents a dog. Then where they're at represents how much weight